Welcome guys to chapter 5 of learning AOC from very basic to advanced. In this chapter we are going to talk about table of trade TOT. That will be your basis for most of the trade, or roughly 80 to 85% of the trade will be confirmed on the basis of table of trade TOT. For learning this chapter there is a requirement of lab chapter 3, 4. So if you haven't watched chapter 3 and 4, please go and watch chapter 3 and 4 first, then continue on the chapter 5. The video link will be provided in the description as well as in the pin comment. So now let's start chapter 5, table of trade. In chapter 3 and 4, we learn how to identify the support and resistance, weakness, shifting of support and resistance, what are SFT, SFB, STT, STB. Now we are going to make use of those knowledge to identify the actual levels of trade. For that, we need to understand some of the core shortcuts or the namings we have in AOC. That is S for support, S plus 1, S minus 1, SW and SW by 2. What is S? S is the current support. S plus 1 is the support plus 1 strike price. A strike price that is one step higher than the current support is S plus 1. S minus 1 is a strike price that is lower, just below the current support. SW, the weakness, where support is most likely to shift, that strike price is SW, and SW by 2 is halfway between S and SW. Similarly, for resistance, R is resistance, R plus 1 is resistance, plus 1 strike price, R minus 1 is resistance, minus 1 strike price, that is 1 strike price lower than resistance. RW is the weakness of resistance. RW by 2 is halfway between R and RW. Now let's look at some of the examples to better understand. I'll show this in AOC as well on live option chain or historical option chain. Example 100. These are a strike price. Suppose we have resistance R at 110. Resistance is shifting towards bottom at 80. Then this will be RW. One strike price above resistance, that is R plus 1. One strike price below, that is R minus 1. Halfway between 110 and 80 is 95. That is 95. That means R plus RW by 2. That is 95. Basically, it is 95, but we do not have a 95 strike price. So, in terms of R, if you are looking for R, we will consider a higher strike price as RW by 2. This is our RW by 2. Similarly, for support, 110, 120, 130, 90, 80. Suppose this is our S and it is shifting to 130, then this will be SW. This is S plus 1, this is S minus 1. This is S minus 1, S plus 1, and halfway between those strike price is 110, 115, 115. This will be our halfway, but we do not have 115. That in case we'll take a lower strike price as SW by 2. So in this case, SW by 2 is S plus 1, same strike price, that is 110. Now let's look this in AOC. Let's check AOC to confirm what are these levels. I have Nifty charts open, Nifty option chain is open. Let's look. This is R. Suppose we are having weakness on 25,200, so this will be RW, and this strike price is R plus 1. This is R minus 1. 50% is 25,250. That is RW by 2. Similarly, we have support at 25,200. Suppose, imagine this is weakness. So we'll consider SW, this one, and 150 will be our S minus 1, 250 will be S plus 1. Halfway between these two strike price is 25,200, that is 125. 100 is SW by 2. Now, once we have the understanding of S, R, RW, SW by 2, we can easily take our trades. For that, we need to click on this shifting update or the data update tab. That will open us TOT table. Let me click on this one. There we have an option to open TOT table. Once we click on the TOT table, how to read this TOT table? These are support levels, resistance conditions. Support, resistance. This is support, this is resistance. Support is strong, resistance is strong. What is the market condition right now? It is range bound. C trade, P trade. C we can take from S, P you can take from R. Similarly, support is strong, resistance is strong, support is STT. In this situation, market will be bullish. We can take P trade from R and R plus 1 and C trade from S and S plus 1. Similarly, you can check other conditions as well. These are support levels, these are resistance level. Example, one will take support is STT, resistance is STT. That we have condition bull run. This is the condition we are having. C from every bottom, avoid P. So in this condition, we will not take any put trades and we can take call trade from every bottom. So this is chapter 5. In this chapter, we learn how to look at the TOT table and how to trade based on the market condition we already know and learned in chapter 4. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any queries, you can always contact us via call, or you can join the evening webinar where we provide free of cost consultation doubt sessions for every AOC users. The link to joining the evening webinar will be shared on our official Telegram and WhatsApp channels. To join those channels, we'll share the link in this video description and as well as the pin comment. Please check that on. If you like this video, please like, share and share your valuable feedback. Thank you. We'll see you in the next